You don't have the guts to be what you want to be.
Sabrett. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be doing something quick and easy. New York style hot dogs, right? Alright guys, so stay tuned. We're going to get started and we're going to start with the hot dogs first. So guys, stay tuned. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be using a Sabrett skinless beef frankfurters, and they are very long. I love these hot dogs. They give you more of a beefy taste. I'm not a pork eater. Sorry to you guys who are. I'm going to get those in a pot. And we're going to boil these out, guys. Want them to swell up and get all juicy. And that's when they're best with the toppings, guys. So let's go ahead and get those in a pot. There we are. Alright guys, so stay tuned and we're going to get started on our... Alright, meanwhile guys, I'm going to get started on our sauerkraut. So I have the butter in the pan. Stay tuned when we get back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and put a tablespoon of butter and let it melt down in the pot. I do have some pickled cabbage that I already prepped from yesterday. See it guys. So that's what I'm going to be using for my sauerkraut, guys. So stay tuned. Sauerkraut in. And I have my stove on low heat, guys. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got my sauerkraut in the pan with the butter. And so we're just going to cook this down to warm it up. And I am going to add a little bit of diced onions to this. So stay tuned guys. Guys, so I'm basically just going to use a tablespoon of onions and mix that in. So we're going to get that mixed up. Once we get this cooked, we can also get this put to the side and that will be ready for the hot dogs. And guys, when you shred your cabbage, you just shred the thin slices before you start to soak it in your brine. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got started with my chili. Okay guys, so sauerkraut is something you don't want to walk away from because it is shredded thinly, it will burn faster. So you don't want to actually cook this. I already cooked my beef. You just really want to get it warm. Alright guys, so you're gonna cook this down for about 5 minutes. After that, you can just take it right off the pot. And I'm gonna take this off the pot and get started with my chili. So guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna get started with my chili. Alright guys, so I got my stove on medium. And I'm just gonna cook these down just a little bit. Beans. And I use ketchup, brown sugar for the sauce. So now basically guys, it's just seasoning left to do to it. So guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so first things first, I'm gonna get in my salt. A 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, black pepper. Go ahead and give that a stir. And then we're going to get the rest of our seasoning in. So guys, stay tuned. W sauce in, guys. So I got a 1/4 teaspoon of Worcestershire in. So I'm going to also do a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. I'm going to kind of move a little quickly. Do 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. Spoon of paprika. All stirred up and put together. And that should do it for our chili sauce, guys. I'm going to let that cook down for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got about a tablespoon of garlic powder inside the hot dogs for them to boil with. So now we're just going to let those cook down. How's the chili looking, guys? It smells amazing. They call me Sniffy for a reason. I love the aromas. Hey guys, so our chili is ready. Alright guys, so now we're gonna get ready to start out with our toppings. Alright guys, so I got the sauerkraut on my hot dog and I put some raw onions. I am now going to get on the mustard, so guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so I have my bun prepared for my chili dog. Alright guys, so now that I have my hot dog in, guys, so now we're gonna get our chili on. So that is our chili from earlier, guys. So we're gonna get it on. You can be generous as you want. It depends on how much you like the chili. But me, I love chili and cheese, boy. It's one of my favorite dogs. Alright guys, so now we're gonna top this off with some onions. I'm gonna use like a tablespoon, but I'm just gonna use a half of a tablespoon, so a teaspoon. Guys, if you don't like onions, that is perfectly fine. You don't. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got the cheese. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is my chili cheese dog. And now we're gonna move on to the American hot dog. Alright guys, so now we are going to get started on our American dog. You can choose to do mayonnaise. I'm gonna put a little mayonnaise in there. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got some mayo on my bun. I'm just gonna spread it in. Like I said, you don't need a lot, guys. You don't want to Alright, ketchup. Next thing, mustard, guys. Next one, relish. Alright guys, you see them there. That is